Over the years, the quality of bushes have changed dramatically, but the tools have not. The Brocket addresses this and is far more versatile. The Brocket is a very low profile socket designed specifically for electrical conduit bush connectors. It works with your existing 1/4" drive toolset. It is available in 20 and 25mm sizes, tested and developed over a few years by real electricians. It is compatible with most UK suppliers of bush connectors. The standard Brocket is supplied in anodised aluminium, with a premium version available in stainless steel for high duty applications. The Brocket has been developed and manufactured by myself specifically for electrical installers. For more information, please visit bushsocket.com.